Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to enable the use of USB storage devices for printing files and saving scanned documents. Start by logging in as an administrator or as a user with administrative rights. Click on the Login option at the top right of the Home menu. The default login credentials are provided with the machine's installation. If you do not have them, please speak with the person responsible for managing your Canon machine at your site. After logging in, press Settings Registration, Device Settings, Preferences, Display Settings, Store Location Display Settings, and make sure that the Memory Media option is set to On. Next, use the Up button to go to the top of the menu and press the Apply Settings Changes button. Click Yes to restart the machine and apply the changes. After the machine comes back on, log in as an administrator again. Press Settings Registration, Device Settings, Function Settings. Use the arrow to scroll down the options and select Store Access Files, then Memory Media Settings. Click on Use Scan Print function. Here you can enable USB printing and scan to USB by setting the option to On. Click OK and use the Up button to go to the top of the menu and then click the Apply Settings Changes button. Click Yes to restart the machine. After the restarting, you should now be able to use USB storage devices with your imageRUNNER Advance. You can always contact Canon Support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.